Luxury is evolving. It's no longer just about aesthetics, but about performance and intelligence as well. Hi, my name is Siddharth Rampal, and I'm one of the co founders for Ladzora, where state of the art artificial intelligence is combined with engineering excellence and craftsmanship to bring you the best available home automation solution that not only look good but also work for you. Imagine waking up to the perfect ambience every day, where curtains glide open, the coffee machine starts on its own to serve you that warm cup of brew to take on the day. Or perhaps when you return from a long hard day at work, the temperature and the lights adjust automatically and your favorite playlist starts on its own. A simple voice command like a movie night turns on your projector, dims the light, and makes a perfect movie atmosphere for you and your family. That is the kind of magic that Ladzora, with its wide range of AI-infused products, is capable of bringing to you, giving you more control over the environment around you, crafted for connoisseurs of sophistication and people who appreciate finer things in life. Ladzora's Feather Touch smart switch panels are not merely switches, but an artistic expression of power, control, and seamless intelligence. Ladzora's Feather Touch smart switch panels are 100% made in India. They are forged from precision milled tempered glass and aerospace grade brushed metal. They are highly responsive to your touch and your voice, and help you to orchestrate the lighting, the climate, and the perfect ambience of your home. Beneath the elegance is an equally sturdy and military-grade chipset and circuit board, ensuring unwavering performance for decades. We are currently inviting inquiries and have limited slots for installation. Please reach out to us on the given below details, and we will provide you the white glove services with customized demo. Remember, Ladzora is for those who demand more from life, and those who demand more from life are the ones who end up getting it.